Blendtec is always innovating the blender market, and that's no exception with their new $8.95 Nitro Blender System. Instead of blending in a standard blender jar, you can blend directly into the cup that you're going to serve the customer. That's the power of the Blendtec 895, and we're going to take a look at it today. The Blendtec Stealth 895 Nitro Blender System is your best option if you want to optimize your time, optimize your profits, and reduce food waste. The 895 is rated to do 200 drinks per day, and that's going to be perfect if you have a high traffic bar, coffee shop, or smoothie shop. This is also an essential blender if you need to keep your restaurant quiet. The 895 Nitro Blender System features a special blender blade called the Micronizer. This tool allows you to blend drinks directly into the cup that you're going to serve the customer. So think about this. With a typical blender jar, you're going to waste on average 15 to 20% of the food because you can't either fit it into your customer's cup or you can't get it out of the blender jar. When you're using your own cup with the Nitro Blender System and Micronizer, you can reduce that waste down to just 1 to 2%. And that's where you can optimize your profits. You can put the precise amount of ingredients into your blender cup so you can reduce the food waste. And you're gonna also optimize your time. Not only are you going to blend your drinks in under 20 seconds, now there's no blender jar to clean. With the 895, you can blend in standard size solo cups. Use either 12 ounce, 16 ounce, 24 ounce, or 32 ounce cups. Get customers served as fast as possible with the 895's pre-programmed blend cycles and make drinks in just 20 seconds. Compare that to the 50+ seconds it takes with a standard blender jar. The 895 will also have a frothing micronizer available so you can make cold milk foams for specialty drinks. This is one of Blendtec's Stealth models. It's called a Stealth because you can reduce 80% of blending noise thanks to the sound enclosure. That brings the noise level down to just a conversation level. So you can talk to your customers while you're blending, and your customers sitting in your restaurant won't be bothered when you're making more orders. The 895 is also compatible with all of Blendtec's other blender jars. Using the 895 is easy. Start with the exact amount of ingredients you'll need and then select the appropriate size adapter ring. Then you'll slide your cup in and attach the micronizer. Select your blend cycle and blend. Unscrew the micronizer and use another cup to easily remove your drink and then hand it to the customer. If you had any questions at all about the Blendtec 895, please contact us. You can go to everythingkitchens.com where you can live chat us or give us a call and we'll get you helped out.